Hello, I've been your MEP here in the European Parliament now for 11 years, and I'm always looking at new ways to give more information and to communicate better with people in Wales. And so I've decided to do this video blog. I'll be recording a piece like this every 2 weeks or so to tell you what I've been doing in the Parliament and hopefully to answer some of the questions that you might have about my work. I sit in Parliament on the Environment Committee and on the Agriculture Committee, and I also sit on the delegation for relations between the European Parliament and Iraq. So my work is very varied, but there are a whole other range of issues as well that we have to work on as MEPs, and most important to us in Wales at the moment is ensuring that we get funding from Europe for Wales in the future, funding which we so badly need. And so I'll continue to campaign on that and all of the other issues that you've contacted me on.